we have there two search technique according to our syllabus, that is linear search and binary search. So what is the linear search? Let's do it. So let's say this is our array, right? क्या है ये हमारे पास में? This is an array, right? So as you know that in array we are using there 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is index number, right? So index number always start from 0 to till last, right? So as we can say that this is a bus. This is a what? This is a bus. So bus first seat, that will be always 0 number seat. Second seat will be 1 number seat, 2 number seat, 3 number seat and so on, right? जब भी हम लोग किसी बस में जाते हैं तो हम लोगों को सीट मिलता है, सीट नंबर मिलता है. So this is same as that. The first seat will be always 0 number seat. So now अब इसके अंदर हम सवारियों को बिठाते हैं. Let's say हमने सवारियां बिठा दी. Okay. So these all are the passengers inside that bus. And the name of bus I have given x is equals to something. x is equals to ये मेरे जो है एलिमेंट्स मेरे लूप के अंदर. अब मैं क्या करती हूँ, अब मुझे किसी को सर्च करना है. लेट्स से किसी ने बोला कि इस वाली सीट नंबर को सर्च करके दो, कुछ भी रीजन. नाउ व्हाट वी कैन डू, so here according to the linear search technique how we have to search, this is the point. यहाँ पर क्या करेगा, हम पहले वाला जो पैसेंजर है ना, हम उसको खड़ा करेंगे और देखेंगे क्या ये वही है जिसको मुझे सर्च करना है. इफ यस देन वेरी गुड, हम बाकी किसी को हिलाएंगे नहीं और बाहर आ जाएंगे उसको लेकर के. दैट मीन्स वी विल पुट दैट टाइम ब्रेक. अब मैच हुआ नहीं, देन वी विल पिक टू द नेक्स्ट वन. नाउ दिस इज मैच्ड, नो नॉट येट, देन वी विल pick to the next one. So is this matched? No. Then we will pick to the next one. नहीं, हम तब तक सर्च करेंगे जब तक ये मैच नहीं हो जाता किसी के साथ में. Okay? So there can be a worst case also. Which worst case? कभी ये मैच हो ही ना. This possibility also can be there. Right? So let's say next we are picking to this element. ये क्या है? Sequentially search statement. मतलब सिक्वेंशियली सर्च करता है एक एक करके सबको. ठीक है, तो अब क्या होगा 22. सो दैट इज मैच्ड विद दैट. ये क्या हो गया, मैच हो गया इसके साथ में. अब मैच हो गया तो दैट मीन्स यू आर सिंपली कमिंग आउट. अब आगे तुम किसी को नहीं छेड़ रहे हो. मतलब एक तरीके से आप एक एक सीट को खड़ा कर रहे हो और उनसे नाम पूछ रहे हो उनके. जिसका नाम भी तुम्हारी लिस्ट में है वो पकड़ा गया, मतलब वो सर्च हो गया. राइट? जहां पर भी मैच हुआ. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि वो हो ही ना इसके अंदर, तो आप पूरी की पूरी जो है उसको ट्रैवर्स करोगे. राइट? ठीक है. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड द लीनियर सर्च. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर सम पॉइंट्स. द पॉइंट्स आर, first of all, if I talk about this technique, so this is slow. How this is slow? Because let's say there will be more than 100 element or maybe more than 1000 element. So one by one to pick the elements and to search with that particular value, that's very tough. Because if the range is so much small, so that time it will be easy. That time it is easy. You can say that okay, fast also we can say that. But when the number is more, it is increasing, okay, so 1000, 10,000, maybe 1 lakh, so that time it's a very tough to do searching with this technique. Because that time you will pick one by one all those numbers and then you will search, right? So suppose that there are 10,000, okay, and your data is on 9,000 something, right? So now you have to traverse from 0 to till 9,000. So much you can say that you are giving work to your compiler to do, right? This is extra burden. Let's say this will be the very much worst case. But let's say if your value is a search in the means within 100, okay, so that will be easy, that will be good. That time the technique is that time good. But in the worst case, this one, if data is 10,000 and your data that the search key is on the 9,009 something on that place, so that time it's a so much time consuming, right? So that's why this technique is not that much best, because it's time consuming also, right? And another way is there, that is what the duplicacy, right? So suppose there you want to search 5, but that is not that 5, the duplicacy of 5 will can be there. Okay, so you have searched the 5, but that is wrong, that number is not right. So that time also, right? So this can also be happen there. Okay, so this is all about the linear search. So how to search, that is important. Now let's do this practically. I told you the manual way, right? So jumping to the blue jay. Okay, so we have their program of arrays, but I'm creating another one. So public static void main, right? So now here, just declare your arrays. Let's say my array is having integer values a and is equals to new integer and total, let's say 5 values only, right? So next, for integer I is equals to 0, I less than um, a dot semicolon I plus plus. You have done that, right? So next, let's say scanner class is there, right? Sc is equals to new uh, right. So now you are asking value from the user for a for your arrays, right? So this is, wait, okay, so this is sc dot next int, right? So like how you will give the message to user also, right? For next, I'm using the same loop, right? No need to write it again. For searching, here you are giving message dot out dot println, you are giving message to user, hey, enter 5 elements, right? So you have given message to the user. Next, what you are doing, hey, enter key to search. So user will enter here the key. Let's say you have declared that key here only, integer key is equals to 0. So here user is entering key is equals to sc dot next int. Okay, so user will enter that key which he or she wants to search. So now you want to search here, so for that of course you need to give their if condition, right? If a ka I, a is there, yeah, if a ka I is equals to key which you want to search, right? Okay, so that time you are giving their found is equals to 1, semicolon of course. So next, f found found. Okay, so this message you can give simply and coming out. So next, if in that case, if that key is not matched with the value which is in the array, so in that case, if found is equals to 0, we need to declare this also. I have not declared it yet, right? So you can simply give there not found, right? This message you can give there, and of course there can be an error. Let's run that first of all. And before running, what you need to do, you need to declare there found. Yeah, found is equals to 0. F is capital or small? Of course it is small. So yeah, error is, I think we haven't import java dot util dot. Okay, so no syntax error. Yeah, linear search, yes. So guys, what we need to do, we just need to enter their 5 element. Let's say 33, 22, 11 and 78. So now I just want to search their 78. So it has found. Why this space is coming actually? Let's see there why the space is coming. We will see that. Okay, let us see why the space is coming. Because you have entered there. Maybe I have pressed the enter, so that's why. Let's do this again. Let's 66, 77, 88, 99 and 90. Now this time is fine. Okay, so you want to search 88. Okay, so you found that. Okay, in that case, when the data is not there, so let's say 44, 55, 33, 22, 11 and you want to find 100, so not found, right? So how we have done this linear search? So first of all, it will start from 0 to till length, and now you are picking one element and you are searching it with that key. If the data found, so you are putting 1 inside found and you are saying data found, and you are coming simply out, and here if your found will be 0, so that means you never entered inside this if condition. If you never entered in this if condition, that means you haven't find that data which you want to find. So found will be always 0. So in that case, you need to give the message to the user that your data has not found, right? You need to give a proper message. Okay, so like how we have done the linear search. I hope you people understood the concept of linear search. So if you are having any doubt, please post in the comment section. So bye bye.